Hello, Sugar Farms. Decorate this cake with me. How you all doing? Hope you're doing well. This is my first voiceover for the year, so I want to wish you a happy new year, a happy new month of February. So thank you so much, and hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'll be showing you just a bit of quick tutorial on how to make this cake for any boy, any child that you want. And also the green things that you're seeing there is just something I did with cake. So stay tuned, all right? Hi, welcome back. So for this cake, what you're seeing right now is it's a cake that I have already concocted. So we are working with 4 layers of different cakes, of different cake flavor. Okay. So what you want to start doing is to apply your buttercream first. I know I sound like a repeating record. I always repeat what I say, but I know that every day I have new people watching my videos, and I want to explain it as if I'm talking to a first timer. So in case you have a problem or you've tried to decorate cakes, maybe high cakes like this, and you're not getting it, please stay tuned and watch this video over and over again. It doesn't take much. All you have to do is to keep practicing. You don't even need to buy cakes or make a fresh cake every time. You can as well buy a dummy to do this. So what I do all the time is to try to cover the top, then I will cover the sides. There are different methods of covering cake in buttercream. You can use the piping bag method, or you can use the spatula method. Okay. So, but however way you're doing it, just ensure that you're covering all your cake with buttercream. Make sure that there is no part that is left out. All right. This way, when you're smoothing it out, you're getting a clean finishing. All right. Once you've coated your buttercream, or you've applied your buttercream around your cake, you want to go in with your scraper. Okay, this is called a scraper. This stainless thing that you're seeing me hold is called a scraper. So you use it to scrape off excess buttercream. So there are two different types or three different types of this scraper. You have this type. This is the stainless one. Then you have the plastic one, which is a bit smaller. Then they have an acrylic also, and then there's another one that has different shapes or forms that you can use to do design on the body of your cake. Okay, so whichever one you're using, what it works for is to take off excess butter cream and to make your cake to look very fine and smooth. Okay, so as usual, you start from one end, from the back, and then you come to the front. So you watch as I'm turning my turntable. Okay, if you don't have turntable, no problem, just take it one step at a time. You don't have to have turntable to start your business or to start making cakes in your home. Okay, all these things are just something that makes work very efficient for bakers. It's not a must that you will have all these things. If you would like a video where I will show you how to decorate a cake without all these things, please let me know and I will create a video on that for you. All right. Once you've smoothed your sides and you're sure that your sides are well smoothed, it doesn't have to be perfect. It depends on what you're going for. So once you've done that, what you want to do is to take off the excess. So go in with your spatula. Using your spatula, just take from the sides inwards. You see, I'm not going over the sides. I'm not going over onto the other side. I'm just going towards the middle so that the top will be leveled for what I want to work with. Sometimes you don't have to level the top. You can just leave it the way it was before you started taking off this. Then you can now walk around it. But for the purpose of this particular cake, I decided to take off the excess on the top. Okay, so now this thing that you're seeing in the foil here that I want to use and make like a grass thing on the cake, it's called edible mousse. Yes, it's made of flour, icing sugar. I would place the recipe for it in the description. It's very easy to make. I will also just give you the steps to do that. Okay, I actually forgot to make a video of it when I was making it, but please check the description box for this information. All right, so what I did with it is just to place it on the, just to break it up and place it in the individual places where I wanted them to be. And this way you see how it's looking like grass. So after placing it, I also go in and started sprinkling edible beads on it. This white edible beads on it. Yes, that's what you see me sprinkling in. So at a point, the buttercream had already dried, so I was trying to apply water to um, touch it so that it will stick to the cake. Okay. This is the part where almost every baker likes, the part where you just start decorating and adding your finishing. This is the part, it tells you that the job is almost done. So for this cake, I'm using a Paw Patrol themed cake. So all these things you can print them online and cut them to the desired shape. And you can do this without buying from any shop. You can just go to any printing shop, just download what you want and tell them the sizes that you want them to be in. So when you get home, after you've printed it, when you get home, what you want to do is to cut them out and use a barbecue stick and a gum or a sellotape to tape it behind. Then you have all these things that you need. It's not hard. Okay, I've just given you the steps on how to decorate your own cake. Please also watch my videos on how to bake and decorate at the same time. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.